Welcome, today I am with VIVO Y33s from the European distribution, and I'll show you all box accessories. So as you can see in this place you can find the warranty card and also some safety information. Right here is a silicone case. I can try to put it on the phone. It's easy to put it on. And that's how it looks. Good access to the power button with the fingerprint sensor, cutout for speakers, jack 3.5mm, microphone, cover for USB port, at the back we got cover for our camera set, and this bumper goes a little bit above the camera set. When you take a look on the front screen, it also covers the screen, so when you put your phone on the flat surface, you can scratch the phone. Let's go next. Right here we can find charger with the specification like that. The another one accessory is a cable. It's USB-C cable. As you can see, that's USB-C. And another option that we have here is headphones with jack 3.5mm and also the SIM tool. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.